Namaste, and welcome to this short meditation designed as a gentle reset anytime you feel off, whether from stress, exhaustion, or just needing to shift into a new state of presence. In these next few minutes, we will bring attention back into our body, breath, and living awareness, so you can return to the balance and feel more grounded in the present moment. Simply follow along with my voice and let yourself be guided. Let's begin. Find a comfortable seat. This can be on a chair, on the floor, or resting back with cushions or blankets. Let your body find what feels most supported right now. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a moment to simply arrive, noticing that you are here, in this place, in this moment. Allow your breath to flow in naturally and to release naturally. Notice how each inhale has a coolness as it enters through the nose, and how each exhale leaves just slightly warmer, touched by the heat of your living body. Now begin to let your weight settle. Let the muscles of your face soften. Your shoulders drop a little heavier. The hips, the thighs, the legs, all melting down into the surface beneath you. Imagine the earth itself is rising up to hold you. You do not need to hold yourself right now. You are being held. Bring your attention to the boundary of your skin. Feel the gentle meeting place between your body and the air around you. Imagine that each inhale is not only through your nose, but through the pores of your entire body. Your whole being breathing in like a sponge, receiving air, energy, presence. And with each exhale, imagine that the same breath releasing through every pore, a soft cleansing, letting go. Notice how your body shifts and reshapes with every breath, the inside and the outside in continuous conversation. Now, bring awareness deeper into your muscles, the fabric of your movement. Feel into your arms, your chest, your back, and your legs. These layers of living tissue that carry you, hold you, express your strength. Acknowledge them right now. You may even silently say to yourself, "Thank you, body, for carrying me." Let your awareness travel even deeper into your bones, the framework of your being. See these bones, strong and steady structures, supporting you, giving you strength. Within them, a hidden vitality, the marrow, alive with the pulse of red blood, your inner fire and your renewal. Now, soften your attention into the organs of your body. The lungs breathing for you, the heart tirelessly pulsing, the stomach, liver, kidneys, intestines, each organ contributing to your life. Imagine your awareness resting like a warm light in each space, honoring the quiet work they do without you asking. And now bring your awareness to the deeper levels, the trillions of cells that make up this body. Each one alive, each one breathing, each one containing both structure and spaciousness. Imagine all of your cells shimmering with presence and with vitality. Your whole being alive, awake, and aware. Take a moment to feel this truth. You are a living field of presence. When exhaustion, stress, or heaviness clouds over you, you can return here to this breath, to this living body, to this reset. Now, gently bring your hands to your heart. Feel your own warmth. Feel the pulse beneath your palms. Notice how alive you are, how supported you are in this moment. Take 3 slow conscious breaths here. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. Bring this reset with you, stepping into the new now. Om Shanti.